keep an eye on Lupin in today's trading session. Positive news coming in there for the company as it has won a patent case in the US court where it has won a patent case on Bayer's birth control pill, which is named as Yes, and the US court has ruled in favor of patent being invalid. Well, if you look at the sales of this particular generic in the last 1 year, it's been around $347 million. So you could see some positive reaction coming in for Lupin when the market opens today. Well, if you look at the stock on YTD basis, it surged about 7%, but currently it's trading above all its key moving averages, so keep an eye on Lupin. Moving on to Oil India, well, the company is looking to raise about $400 million in foreign loans, that is via ECBs, and the company will be using these funds to part finance its capex plan, which is about $650 million in the coming year, and also it will be using this money for its LNG business, which it plans to start. Keep an All India on YTD basis, that stock has done quite well, up about 19%. And GOL Offshore, which is a small cap company, if you look at the market share, that's about 250 crore rupees. Well, today Economic Times paper has reported that the company has defaulted on 200 crore FCCB repayment as bondholders has rejected the extension for it. So keep an eye on that. There could be a negative reaction on YTD basis. This stock is down by about 30%. Currently, it's trading near its 52-week low.